Hey guys, if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be painting a beautiful leafy wreath. Hope you will like the video, and without any further delay, let's get started. I have Monte Marte watercolor pad which has 300 GSM cold pressed paper. You can use any brand you like, but make sure it's greater than 200 GSM. For the watercolors, I'll be using Artist Watercolor Cakes by Camel and brushes of size 1 and 6. As this is a leafy wreath, let's start with the leaves. I'll be using sap green, emerald green and viridian hue. To make the leaves, you simply use the tip of the brush to make the stem and then use the belly of the brush to make the shapes of the leaves. If your wash is a bit tinted, like I have over here, layer it to get more saturation. Sorry for the less clarity of the video. I was trying a new camera setup but it didn't turn out well, and also due to the poor lighting condition. Anyways, I just alternately use the greens to make one leaf stem each. Feel free to come up with your own arrangements. Now I am adding more leaves of the same shade, just to add more details to the wreath. Again, feel free to come up with your own arrangement. You can use different types of leaves, small leaves, bigger leaves, even fillers. Well, what good is a wreath without flowers and birds? For this wreath, I'll be illustrating a bunch of birds. You can add any florals that match with your leaves or even some floral fillers. For the birds, I'll be using a bunch of colors which are crimson, ultramarine, scarlet and gamboge hue. The idea over here is to use lighter colors as a base and using the darker colors to provide them some depth. Here I will be pairing crimson and ultramarine with the sap green, scarlet and crimson with the emerald green, and gamboge and scarlet with the viridian hue. Now using a smaller size one brush, make the small delicate stems of the buds. My hands are a bit shaky, so I have to use a smaller brush, but you can make this complete painting using just one size 6 round brush and varying the pressure to get different results. Coming to the last part of the wreath. To make this wreath more detailed one, I'll be painting some simple fillers. These are very minimalistic, but do not underestimate them. They can add the right touch you need to your flower. And your leafy wreath is finally complete. If you enjoyed this video and learned something from it, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel to watch more of such videos.